Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, it's economics 11th class. Our topic index number. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tartpura. Our topic index number same as we are repeating it lectures over this topic. Subtopic is index number of industrial production. As yesterday in my lecture, I have make it clear or we have discussed the wholesale index number in the country. Now, dear students, what is index number of industrial production? Index number of industrial production is that index which measures the relative increase or decrease in the level of industrial output in a country in comparison to level of production in the base year. Now, dear students, what this is the industrial production. We have to construct here the index number of industrial production. What are industrial production? The goods which are manufactured in industries. Dear students, if an exam you are asked to construct the index number of industrial production from the data. If the data is given there and you are asked to construct index number of the topic, this industrial production of these data, if these data are given there. Dear students, here you will find that industry, manufacturing production, electrical production, mining. Output base year 122 are these manufacturing production and electrical production 203 and mining 65. What was the production output in the current year? This was the output in the base year in India. 122 manufacturing production, 203 electrical production, 65 mining. Now, output of current year. This was the output of base year. Now, what is the output of the current year given and the question which if you are asked to solve, that is manufacturing production 300, electrical production 400, mining 87. Now, what is the weightage of this? What is the importance of this? The manufacturing production 85 of this, when it was base 122, current 300, 85 weight, and for electrical production it is 5 weight, and for mining it is 10. Dear students, here we will calculate it, the first of manufacturing production and million tons, electrical production 1000 numbers, that is counted in tons, million tons, that is in 1000 numbers, and mining million tons, the same as manufacturing production million tons. Now, how we can solve this? If you are asked to do this in the examination, for this to calculate, to construct index number, we have a formula for that. What is the formula? Our formula is sigma Q1 by Q0 rooted W. I will repeat it, sigma Q1 by Q0 rooted W. Dear students, what is this Q1? Q1 indicates level of production in the current year. Q0, the same level of production in the base year. Here it was in the Q1 current year, Q0 base year. What is W? Weightage of industrial output. Now, dear students, the same industry here, manufacturing production, electrical production, mining. This is our output. Base year, as you know, base year is Q0. Current year, the Q1. Here I have told you relative value. What is the relative value of these, which you have known with this definition? Relative value. Industrial production. Relative value. Relative value is R. R indicates relative value. R is equal to Q1 by Q0 into 100. and weightage here indicates this W is for weightage. This weighted relative is RW. RW weighted relative. Now what is manufactured goods given here? 122, electrical goods 203, and this mining 65. And what is Q0? That is current year 300, 487. The same I have written here, 300, 487. Now relative production is R is equal to Q1 by Q0 into 100. That we can calculate R. What is Q1? Q1 is here 300. This is by Q0 122, 300 by 122 into 100. That is equal to 245.90. Now for this is the current year Q1 by Q0, 400 by 203 into 100, that is 197. And this is Q1 87 divided by Q0 65 multiplied by 100, that is 134. Now what is weightage? That's already given here, 85, 5 and 10. Now weighted relative RW. Weighted relative, what is this? This is here 245.90 multiplied by this 85, that is equal to 20901.50, or we can say 20,901.50. 20,901.50. And what is this RW weight related for this? That is 197 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 985.00. Now for this 87 divided by Q, that is 134, multiplied by 10, that is 1340.00. What is this sigma W? This is weight W. That is 85 plus 5, 90 plus 10, that is 100. Sigma W is equal to 100. And what is sigma RW? Sigma RW is equal to, when we will add this and this, 20,901.50 plus 985.00 plus 1,340 plus 0.00, that is equal to sigma W RW, that is equal to 23,226.50. Now index number of industrial production, what is that? That is sigma RW by EW. That is sigma RW 23,228.50 divided by this sigma W divided by 100, that is equal to 232.27 approximate. Now dear students, I hope now it is now clear to you. Yesterday we have did wholesale index number. Today we discussed about index number of industrial production, and tomorrow inshallah we will go ahead with the new lecture inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.